I am Dr. Jaykumar Shamraj and welcome all on my YouTube channel JNS Basic Zoology. So, in this video, we will focus on some important aspects related to pond maintenance. This is an introductory topic about pond maintenance. So, after the construction of the pond, it is essential to maintain in a proper way, and also the management of fish farm is of prime importance to increase the production of farm in respect to the fish culture. So there are some principal measures we have to control, or we have to focus on these principal measures for the high production of the fish in the fish farm. In that, first is control of aquatic vegetation. Aquatic vegetations, which are also called as weeds, when it becomes unwanted, that is, unwanted aquatic plants grown in ponds are called as weeds. That can affect on fish production in various ways, because they can use the nutrients available in the ponds. Also, penetration of sunlight is obstructed by this heavy growth of the plant. They can also occupy the space available for fish for the moving purpose, or may also provide shelter to unwanted parasites. So, we must control this unwanted vegetation time to time for the increasing the production of fish farm. So student, we will discuss detail about all these aspects, all these measures in our upcoming videos. This is only introductory part. Now the second measure, a restoration and improvement of pond bottom. So for this purpose, draining and drying is become essential to remove the eggs or the larvae hidden in the bottom of ponds. And by this draining and drying process, we can also repair the pond bottom. So this restoration and improvement of pond bottom is the second major principal measure in maintenance of fish pond. Third, liming. Liming, it is also essential to improve the productivity of the ponds, because due to the liming, there are particular type of limes are used which are sprayed on the bottom of the pond. By this, because of the use of the limes, it can improve the pH of the pond and also mineralizes organic matters. They can also kill harmful insects and their larvae. So liming is also essential in the maintenance of fish farm or fish pond. Fourth major point, pond fertilization. It is also one of the key factors to increase pond productivity. This can aim to developing natural food like phytoplanktons. Due to the fertilization, the natural food of the fish, the percentage of that natural food like the phytoplanktons is increased due to the mixing of fertilizers into the pond. So in these aspects, different types of organic and inorganic manures are applied in a particular ratio in the pond water. This is the pond fertilization. Now the fifth principle measures control of physico-chemical factors. So these factors should be checked and corrected during cultivation is become effective for fish production. It can be checked time to time because more fluctuations has been found in these physical and some chemical features or factors in different season of the year. So when we check these physical and chemical factors, we can improve the production of the fish culture. The sixth point, control of fish diseases. So we must control over the diseases which can hamper the fish production, because sickness in fishes decreases the economical value of the fish farming. This illness may be caused by different pathological agents. This can be also discussed in a separate video. So diseases causes to the fishes by number of pathological agents like bacteria, viruses, worms, parasites, fungus, etc. This can be again discussed in our upcoming video. Seventh point, main point in maintenance of fish pond, control of predatory and weed fishes. These predatory and weed fishes are also enemies of our cultivable fish species. Predatory fishes are those fishes which are feed on our cultivable fish, and weed fishes are those fishes which feed on useful vegetations in ponds. They may consumes almost all natural fish food and also occupy the space, available space. So we must check these fishes for our better fish production. Eighth point, control of aquatic insects. Number of insects are found in the pond, and at the time of maintenance of fish pond, we must eradicate these insects, these aquatic insects, by using various methods. It is also essential for the pond or the fish production. Ninth point, artificial feeding. This is the supportive feeding can be given to the fish and which may be useful for the healthy growth of the fishes. And the last principal measure in maintenance of fish pond or management of fish pond, that is harvesting. Harvesting means fishing. When the fishes are grown to marketable size, the harvesting can be takes place and then supply to the market. So these are some principal measures which can be discussed, which will be discussed in detailed one by one in our upcoming videos. So once again, thank you all of you for watching my videos, and be watching and support me for making more and more related videos. Thank you very much.